Okay, greetings everyone.
Greetings, family. How you guys doing? Okay, so right here, we're doing like a spiritual bath. Okay. So before we start, make sure you guys like and subscribe and share our video. Okay. So this video right here is a very spiritual video. Basically, we have sea salt, baking soda. Okay. Um, Florida water. All right. And reversible oil, but they call it alleged oil. Okay, so you pretty much could use whatever oil you have, like frankincense and myrrh oil, remove spell oil, or any of those essential oil. So what this does is, right, what this does right here, it removes like dark energy. For example, if you go on the road and in the streets or whatever, and you be around a lot of people, or you went to the park and you know what I'm saying, you was playing basketball, or you just feel bad in the house, you just feel down and drained, you could do this bath and it could build your energy back up. Also, you could add lemon water or key limes. Okay, there's a lot of stuff missing right now. We don't really have all that stuff right now. It's missing. Okay, so you could also add key limes and vinegar into it. Makes it a lot more stronger.
Okay, so this is a very simple bath. If you need to, if you feel like you're stressed or you're drained, as you said, you can use this bath. It's just regular, simple, everyday sea salt. It's not nothing too special. Any salt table salt, any salt can do. Also, you could use vinegar, white vinegar. You can put that in there also. Baking soda and Florida water. You can get this at any botanical store, any store, even in your supermarket.
Right? When you're taking this bath, you gotta put it like into a bowl like this.
So I'm taking like a quarter cup of salt, and I put it in the bath. You can use more if you want to. Also, this is the baking soda. I put it in there, and if you want to, you can put it in your bathtub. Also, you could add like
maybe just
herbs.
Maybe a quart of
Florida water.
Florida water. You don't need that much.
Yeah.
Okay.
And a small bit of the essential oil.
Reversible oil, you just need like a small amount.
If you don't have reversible, the alleged oil, it's okay. You could skip that. You could just put lemon or lime in it, and it would be fine.
Key lime.
Yes, and you pour the water in it.
And now I'm gonna pour the water in it. All right.
This is just a simple salt bath to get rid of bad luck, any kind of bad energy. If you just go to the supermarket, you go outside and you don't feel right.
You talk to somebody over the phone.
Right. It can help.
Just read the Psalms over it or chant whatever.
Yeah.
So I could read like say Psalms 91. He that dwell in the secret place of the Most High, or Psalms 23. Whatever Psalms you want to read. If you're a Muslim, whatever you want to do. You know what I'm saying? If you're a witch, do your witchy thing. Whatever you want to do. Okay.
Okay. It's best to use the blue bath and a blue rag. It's best that way, but you can use any color. You can use it in your bathtub also. Yeah, so this is just a regular simple cleansing
and when you're taking this bath, you have to start from your head to toe. Okay?
Yeah, you have to wash down.
You wash downward.
Yes.
So you're cleansing everything from your body downward. Okay, you understand what I mean? Like wash your head first all the way down. Okay,
right.
And the washcloth, you gotta throw that away in the garbage after you finish using it.
Right.
And don't bathe. If you did this in the daytime, don't take a shower for the whole day, and no sex at all. Like when you're doing these kind of bath,
right.
No sex at all.
And
okay?
try not to dry with a towel. You just air dry.
You gotta stay in your room and air dry. Turn the fan on, air dry yourself. Let it dry in your skin. Right. Okay. So if you guys have any question, man, feel free to comment and call me. My number is always there. Okay. So make sure you guys share, like and subscribe to our channel. So this is the end of the video.
Okay.
Light and love.